Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker.
I'm Adriana. We're here at 22 Pearl Street, Windsor.
And this is a beautiful house you're not going to want to miss. It's 1,087 square feet. It's a 2 or 3 bedroom because there's a first floor room, and off of that is a wonderful laundry with a half bathroom. I love that this dining room with hardwood floors and chair railing and wainscoting is all wide open to this beautifully remodeled kitchen. The kitchen offers cabinets up to the ceiling with crown molding. It has the glazed raised panel cabinetry, solid wood. It has your wastebasket that's in there with stainless steel appliances, and it's in beautiful condition. This home offers hardwood floors. And in the living room, you're going to see an electric log fireplace with a raised hearth. And upstairs, we have 2 large bedrooms. So you can make this a 2 or 3 bedroom home if you'd like. The bedrooms upstairs are very large. You have 1.5 bathrooms. Those both are in great condition. You have a full basement. I love that there's a breezeway that you lead to the oversized 1-car garage with a 10-foot door and opener. You also have a level yard with a deck that's out the back. And it's a good sized yard, and it's very nice and level. So special features include a 10-year young roof. These shingles are 45 plus lifetime shingles, which I think is wonderful. You have siding on here. It is aluminum siding, but still it's nice and protected. I like that there's thermal pane windows throughout this entire home. In the lower level, we have a nice space for storage. It's nice and dry down there. So recently, they added a new furnace, and it's forced hot air, and they added central air as well. So that's a special feature that everybody loves. Many improvements you can enjoy in this home. So if you'd like more information
or a private show, just call us at
860-618-6233 or check us out on our website,
teamgabriel.net.
We look forward to hearing from you.
Every year, fresh, updated, cool.